Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the characteristics of a chemical reaction. We saw few chemical reactions in the previous sessions. So chemical reactions, whenever there is some chemical reaction, you can see the following observations. There may be evolution of gas, or there may be change in color, or change in temperature, change in energy, or formation of a precipitate, or there may be change in state. So I have given few examples. For evolution of gas, we saw the reaction between zinc and sulfuric acid or any acid like hydrochloric acid. Zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid and it releases hydrogen gas. Okay, so this is one of the reaction to show or to prove that there is evolution of gas. Change in color. We saw this reaction. Lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide. Lead nitrate and potassium iodide solutions are colorless. So when you mix these two solutions, we get a colored precipitate. Lead iodide. PbI2 is called as lead iodide. And you have KNO3. This is colorless solution. Potassium nitrate is colorless solution. So you get a precipitate which is yellow color precipitate, and potassium nitrate is colorless solution. So when you're mixing two colorless solution like lead nitrate and potassium iodide, you get a yellow color precipitate which is lead iodide. So you can see the color change. Next is formation of precipitate. Say you take barium chloride. Barium chloride is colorless. Sodium sulfate solution is also colorless. When you mix these two solutions, we get a white precipitate of barium sulfate. You can see the color change and it forms a precipitate. Precipitate is an insoluble solid. And you have aqueous NaCl. The NaCl will be in the solution and barium sulfate will be an insoluble solid, which is a white precipitate. Okay, so you can see precipitate formation. There may be change in state. Say, for example, you take ammonia gas and hydrogen chloride gas. Both are gases. When you mix both, you can see white fumes, which is ammonium chloride. Okay, it forms a solid ammonium chloride. When you're mixing ammonium gas and hydrogen chloride gas, it forms a solid ammonium chloride. So there is a change in state. So whenever there is a chemical reaction, there may be different observations. There may be evolution of gas, there may be color change in color, or there may be formation of precipitate, or there may be change in state, there may be change in temperature. So these are characteristics of a chemical reaction.